Hey, let me show you how we can actually find all camera settings on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So all you have to do is just open, for example, the photo mode and click on the left upper corner settings icon. As you can see now we are here, and first we can find some intelligent features like, for example, the scene optimizer or QR code scanner. Below we can find some picture settings like swipe shutter button to take the burst shot or create the GIF. We can also find watermark, high efficiency pictures. We've got some settings about the selfies, videos, some general settings, shotting methods like floating shutter button, show palm, or for example press volume buttons. From settings to keep we can find camera mode, selfie angle, high picture resolution, filters, and from this we can also find to show Snapchat lenses in the fun mode, permissions, we can find some information about the camera, and we can actually reset all settings. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.